YouTube put out a new update on their update list, and I'm here to talk about that update. So this video will be going up today and right now after filming this video, because this video is an important notice to everyone out there. I know that this is not the right time that I usually film my upload my videos, because I upload my videos every 10 p.m. Nigerian time. This is just 12:06 at the time of filming this video today, and anytime I'm done filming this video, I'm going to put out this video so that a lot of my YouTubers will also have this important update. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So I logged into my YouTube studio this morning and I found this update. Immediately I found this message. Like, what have my channel done again? Okay, because I saw some persons dropping me like messages on Instagram telling me they can't find their playlist, and for me I was like, you can't find your playlist? Are you over 20 subscribers? Are you over 50 subscribers? Are your playlists there? Before they'll be like, yes, their playlists are there, but right now they can't find their playlist. And when I saw this update, I have to go into this and read, and this was the update that YouTube stated this morning, and I will be reading it out, and I will also be putting a screen record so that if you see any of these on your channel, you don't need to get scared as well. Just know that this is what YouTube is actually rolling out, and definitely it is going to be resolved, okay, according to what they say. So I'll be reading this out. Known issues, and they put the date here, which is October 03, 2024. Channel removers from spam and descriptive practice. A lot of people might see this and they feel like, oh, their channel is doing everything possible best to stay safe, and why is YouTube sending this? They said, update: our team are continuing to work on reinstating all removed channel and your access to paid subscriptions like YouTube TV, YouTube Premium, YouTube Music. We are very sorry for this error on our part, and we will follow up here when it is done. If your channel was incorrectly removed and reinstated, you might notice some content such as playlists might be missing. Don't worry, this is just a delay and all your content will soon be restored. Thanks for your patience in this meantime. So if you are seeing that you're not seeing your playlist or your channel, before you know something is happening in your channel, or you're not seeing some of your videos again, you can also go back and recheck all your videos that you've uploaded. If you find out any of this issue, YouTube said they are going to bring all of them back, okay? And they said, hi creator, we are seeing your report on channel be incorrectly removed for spam and descriptive practice. Our team are actively working on reinstating the channel. We will keep the trend updated with any new information. Thank you for your patience while we sort this out. And if you check down here, there are a lot of questions concerning this. Related content like demonetization is disabled on my channel, which is, in case you're seeing any of these, third party expansion, subscribing you to channel without your permission, channel or account termination, spam, descriptive practice and scam policy, and view your reporting history as well. So you can see a lot of people as well with such messages. Can you please reinstate videos that were incorrectly deleted as well? I have a problem too. My channel was reinstated quickly, but some videos are still removed for no apparent reason. When should we expect everything to be restored? Another person stated here, yes, please, because my recent shot was removed for copyright, but there was nothing wrong with it. I am scared to file an appeal because I don't want my channel to be accidentally terminated. You can see some other ones as well. Glad to know that our staff will be restoring blah blah blah. I have issues. So a lot of people have the same issue. So if you're coming across any of this issue, your short is removed, your monetization bell is terminated, or one or two things that you feel it is not right on your YouTube channel really happen to your channel, knowing fully well that, oh, everything you're doing, you're keeping the YouTube rules and regulation, just know that YouTube will definitely do this upgrade, and they will put everything for you back as to what they have said, okay, if your channel don't have any of such issues. So this is a new update, and I decided to like tell you guys, and I hope this video is helpful. If you've been having such issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you've had issue of demonetization or anything of such, I really want to know. And if you've not subscribed, please do what, subscribe, like this, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. I'll always keep you guys updated.